Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. Today we are making some delicious Oreo ice cream, so creamy and oh so delicious. Come along and let's get right into it. So for the base of our ice cream, we'll be needing some sweetened condensed milk, alright? Any brand will do. We'll also need a heavy cream, and you want to make sure that your heavy cream has a 35% fat content. And lastly, we are going to be needing this Oreo crumb. Well, if you can't find these Oreo crumbs, you can just buy the regular Oreo and bash them in a Ziploc bag. That will work too, but this just makes it easy. In a bowl, you want to go ahead and pour in your heavy cream and beat this until stiff peaks are formed. For the best result, I chilled my heavy cream for about 15 minutes in the freezer to get it really cold. So once your stiff peaks are formed, you want to go ahead and pour in your sweetened condensed milk, and you can check the description box down below for the measurements I'm using. Now continue mixing for an extra minute or two until the sweetened condensed milk is well combined with your heavy cream. So in my previous ice cream video, I used my stand mixer to do this, but as you can see, a handheld mixer will work perfectly as well. So now that your base is done, you want to scrape down the sides and make sure that everything is well incorporated. Now all you have to do is to pour in your Oreo crumbs and fold it in gently until well combined. And like I said earlier, if you don't have Oreo crumbs, just buy a regular Oreos, put them in a Ziploc bag and use a rolling pin or any heavy object to bash on it to make your own crumbs at home. Now go ahead and pour your ice cream mixture into a freezer-safe container. And with the back of a spoon, you want to even out the surface and top with more Oreos. Now cover your container and freeze this for a minimum of 6 hours or overnight. And 6 hours later, you are left with this creamy and amazingly delicious Oreo ice cream. This recipe is so simple and easy to make, guys, but the results are amazing. Now this ice cream scoops so easily that you can serve with your ice cream cone or even in a bowl. However you choose to enjoy this, I promise you it is going to be a hit. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, make this ice cream with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!